Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you how to connect your HP pen to your laptop in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Step 1. First, make sure your laptop supports HP pen. Most HP Spectre, Envy, and Pavilion touchscreen models do. You can search your laptop name online to check. Step 2. Now check if your HP pen is powered. If it uses a battery, insert or replace it. Some pens don't need charging, but others do. Step 3. Press and hold the button on the side of the pen for a few seconds. A small light may blink. This means the pen is in pairing mode. Step 4. On your laptop, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, and make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Step 5. Click Add Device, then choose Bluetooth. You will see HP Pen or a similar name appear. Click it to connect. Step 6. When it's connected, the light on the pen may stop blinking. You can now test the pen in apps like Whiteboard, OneNote, or Print. And that is it. Your HP pen is now ready to use on your laptop. Let me know in the comments if you had any issue, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech videos. Thanks for watching.